stand up. Cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. So you can fly away with me tonight. Kids. Drums. Bass. Kick, drum, bass. Kick, drum, bass. Kick, drum, bass. Kick, drum, bass. Yeah. Kick, drum, bass. Kick, drum, bass.
And Fisher plunked a rare hit by pitch from the arm of Noah Nisnet. And it looks like the party animals are going to react accordingly.
Let me catch my breath, dog.
Do you wanna have a slumber party in my basement? Do I make your heart beat like an 808 drum? Is my love your drug? Your drug? Your drug? Your drug is my love. Your drug. Because your love is my drug. Your love is my drug.
Andy Cosgrove blasts this one over the wall. A left field shot for Andy Cosgrove. 3 home runs in the inning for the party animal. Now Chase Aycock, the deep drive to right. The party animals go back to back. That home run number 5 on the year for Chase Aycock. Fired up.
There's no stopping me once I get to go and put a can in my hand, man, I'm wide ass open. The tick-tock of that clock is like a time bomb. Yeah, my 10:30, I'm 10:30 tipsy. 11:45, man, I done had
You set me free. Every time your hands on me, I wanna be your way to shine. I came tonight, the
drop off or sprint. Jason Swan, if it's fair, it's gone. That ball was annihilated. Fair ball, and so gone you wouldn't believe it. It's now his 4th home run of the tour, already a new career high for Swanee. There was nothing cheap about that. It's 351 to the left